Excusez-moi monsieur, suivez-moi pour voir la prochaine pièce.
Day two. Another absolute blinding day. Literally, got my water. Just need to make a few adjustments to the bike, keep on top of the old maintenance, and then ready to go.
I think I met her in the lobby of some beautiful hotel where feet were movable. She seemed something unusual, no politics, just musical. Like who is you, so viewable? She kept it 1, 2 zeros, like yes. Finally someone hit refresh. Boule, 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 boule. Are you model of the kingdom that you toppled in your novel? After that, like Frida Kahlo, we connect like eyebrows. You look just like my style, like you living life how I've been living right now. Like Paloma, St. Picasso with her crib out in Morocco.
Slight detour. These beautiful green paths are so easy to ride. It's very easy to miss a turning or forget where you are and just enjoy the smooth road. I was meant to turn off a while back. I think I've missed out on a sweet chateau. I'm still kind of heading in the right direction. I just need to hit some roads and then meet up with my track. It's all part of the journey, isn't it? Onwards!
Boule, 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 boule. Are you model of the kingdom that you toppled in your novel? After that, like Frida Kahlo, we connect like eyebrows. You look just like my style, like you live in life.
This is my turning. I do like the way that boulangeries are marked on all these signposts. They do love a boulangerie.
Right out of Bali, picture so surreal. Party feel like it was Dali. Baby, you a bad one. It just isn't fair. I'm always falling for the mad ones, but I'm never scared. Cause there's something about you that's a little more rap. Till it's a little more rap. Till it's a little more.
Like a Warhol, or a Rothko, or a Monet, or a Van Gogh, or a Hebrew all up in here, or something out the weed. All I know is when you rolling with me.
Girl, you like them.
So hot. I think I'm under this picture somewhere. That's where I need to be. There are so many different variations of this route, directly from Dieppe to Paris, and I'm kind of taking bits and pieces from each of them, and I've ended up in, I suppose, in the middle of all of them. So I'm gonna head for a place called Giza's and see if I can pick it up from there. Someone behind me.
Je suis la fille qui passe et qui ne s'arrête pas. De Montmartre à Montparnasse, les garçons suivent mes pas. Je suis la fille qui passe. Lequel d'entre vous saura me retenir dans ses bras? La fille qui passe et ne vous regarde pas. Et le sillon que je trace ne se referme pas.
Back on the right track again. Another beautiful tree-lined tarmac road. Very peaceful. It's just stunning. Riding along, out of nowhere, this monstrosity catches my eye. Look at that! Crikey.
Je suis la fille qui passe et qui ne s'arrête pas. De Montmartre à Montparnasse, les garçons suivent mes pas. Je suis la fille qui passe. Qui d'entre vous aura droit de se glisser dans mes draps?
I had to get rid of the helmet again, just for 10 minutes. It's just so hot. Cooling breeze.
Non, pas toi. Toi. Non plus. Je sais.
Seem to have hit a road barrier. Currently trying to use this quite ridiculous map to re-navigate. Found a workable detour, and it only when it took me up another massive hill. How is it that every time I stray from the route slightly, I end up doing some climbs? Whew. Water's running a little bit low. I have to find somewhere that's open and serves Vasa de Agua somewhere. Where the dickens am I? So many signs, none of them saying the nearest place that I need to get to. Cripes. So thirsty. Down to my last few drops of water. I brought enough with me, just there was literally nowhere to buy any in these little towns. Everything is closed. It'd be great to have a little Tesco Express or something. I'll have to get some water soon. Oh, you are a lifesaver. That was a rough hour. Some hidden climbs, no water, and I think the hottest it's been. Whew. Thanks again, Boucherie Epicerie, lifesaver. I'm gonna rest up for a little bit, enjoy some shade, get loads of this water down me, mainly because I bought too much to carry. There's no way I could carry any more weight on the bike. I'm gonna devour it, enjoy some shade, top up with the old sun cream, and then I reckon I've got about another hour and a bit to go, hour and 20 to go. Even though this weather is wonderful, it's really hot to ride in. Really hot.
Prochaine pièce.
Another lovely little spot. Quick stop off at Le Market. Got myself some nose bag. Next stop, the B&B. Well, I have arrived at my dwellings. No idea where to go though. No one seems to be answering any of the doors. Try this one again. Hello, puss puss. Hello, puss. Finally made it. Let me show you my my room for the night. Et voilà.